Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I received my highly awaited package from YesStyle and I will be unboxing this. I think I'll open it from this side. I like that they bubble wrapped this as well for extra protection. Okay, first of all, I have 2 sheet masks from the company APLB. I don't know how to pronounce that. Next, we have this trio of the minis from Centella. So this is the serum, and then here we have the cleansing foam along with the cleansing oil. I wanted to try out these miniature sizes just because I'm not sure if I'll like the product, and just to use it up quicker, I thought it'd be more worth it to get smaller products since I do like to try out new products all the time. That's why minis are the way to go. Next, we have this Japanese mascara remover from the beauty brand Kiss Me. I know a lot of Asian makeup girlies love their mascara generally, but I don't really have a problem with my current mascara. I just want to be able to take it off a bit easier. Next, we have a tiny little sample of the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask X. A friend of mine really recommends the X version because it really plumps up her lips, so I thought I'd give it a go. But again, before I commit to the full size, I thought it'd be nice to just try out the smaller version. This is 3 grams, as you can see here. Next, we have the TIRTIR Mask Fit Red Cushion in the shade 25N Mocha. I already have the TIRTIR mask in the full size for the shade 24N Latte, but I wanted to try a shade deeper just to see if I see any difference, and since this was on sale, I just thought I would get the mini and see if I like it a bit more than the other shade. Let's open this up. Ta-da! Last but not least, we have 2 full-size products, and these are both Centella facial cleansers, and this one has tea tree in it as well as BHA. And then the other one is the Centella Poremizing Deep Cleansing Foam. This is the one I'm planning to use next, so I will be opening it up. This is what it looks like. I love the color of the packaging. This baby pink is super cute. And it's sealed in the bottom here as well. I decided to open up these minis to show you guys those as well, starting off with the Ampoule serum. This is the cleansing oil. And this is the foam. Super cute little minis, and they're obviously all sealed up. So yeah, this is my YesStyle. I always update my monthly empties and go through what I liked and disliked from the month. And also for some of these products, as a little bit of self-promo, I am creating a advent calendar for my sister, like a skincare and beauty type of advent calendar leading up to Christmas that she can open up one little present per day. So there's going to be 25 little gifts. This is going to be one of them. And if you would like to see me put all that together, then do subscribe because that is an upcoming video that I will be filming. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye!